Everyone, my name is K. Manikanta. I am studying 9th standard from Vishaka district, Golgonda Mandalam, ZPHS Chidam. Today, part of NCS in 2019, I have a great processing plan of you. Electrical energy is one of the man's greatest discoveries. It has helped new civilization. The large amount of electricity produced as its sources is fossil fuels, nuclear fusion, water, solar energy, and wind. And this article will explore the different methods of electrical energy. And the government is trying to provide sufficient power to the rural areas, but the power cuts is as usual regular intervals. So we met the Pedabodupelli Electric D and more details about power consumption and what are the alternative method of power consumption. And we got you can observe this resources are two types, renewable and non-renewable. We use non-renewable sources and renewable sources. Non-renewable sources, fossil fuels, nuclear fission, natural gas, coal, and renewable sources, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy. And another area is create. That is my project, electricity from plants. And how do plants produce electricity? In photosynthesis process, plants prepare food. In nighttime, plants release carbon dioxide as well as plants release 48 electrons. That electrons will catch the electricity point and it helps the MFC. MFC means microbial fuels or biological fuels. It is a bioelectrochemical system that drives an electric current by using bacterial interactions found in nature. MFCs can be grouped into two general categories, mediated and unmediated. The first MFC demonstrated in early 20th century used a mediator, a chemical that transfers electrons from the cell to the bacteria to the anode. Unmediated MFC emerged in 1970s. It is a typical cytochrome as well as promotes anodes directly to the electrons. And this is the soil-based PMFC. One variation of the mediatorless MFC is the microbial electrolysis cell MEC. While MFC produces electric current by the bacterial decomposition of organic compound in water. But the MEC is partially reverse the process to generate hydrogen or methane to produce electrons to the anode. And this is we use different metals also use, copper as well as zinc. General copper and its alloys are widely used as an electrode. It is less cost. And zinc is also it requires less amount of cost. And another is we use different zero point plants, aloe vera as well as spider. Aloe vera is a watering houses gardening plants and it requires less amount of water as well as spider. Spider is also it requires less amount of water. It is also watering houses plant. And we take 5 aloe vera plants with connect with series as well as parallel with different time intervals. And every 2 hours we checking the readings with multimeter. And series connection we got an 3.9 voltage at 1 pm. But parallel is 0.52. It is only one plant. Improving our result, we had another 2 aloe vera plants with different time intervals. Every 2 hours we checking with multimeter with readings. And another plant is spider. Spider is also a zero point plant. It requires less amount of water. It is lives in any places, any condition places. And we take 5 spider plants with connect series as well as parallel. And we connect the every 2 hours we checking the readings with multimeter. We got 2.8 voltage at 1 pm in series, but parallel is 0.85. And improving our result, we add another 2 spider plants with different time intervals 9 am, 11 am, 1 pm, 3 pm. Every 2 hours we checking the readings with multimeter and we got an must. And another is we can observe this chart. We are added to combination. Which combination is better? We got an aloe vera is 4 as well as spider is 4. And we connect this series and as well as parallel with different time intervals. Which time we got an must results? We got an 1 pm 4.6 voltage in series. Parallel is 0.94. It is all one plan. So this process in our project advantages are utilize green energy and conserve coal energy. We use more thermal power. So no energy in future. We live in dark places. That is my and we conserve the coal energy and promote the green energy. Also we decrease the oxygen. And another is PMFC can be harvest energy. PMFC is the bacteria which promotes the electrons to the anode. And 365 days available. These plants are zero point plants. This is also watering houses plants. We live in surrounding areas. And zero maintenance. No cost effective and no damage for the plants. And this process we have 4 steps: fill, think, do, shape. feel. My feel is we our society use more thermal power, so no power in future, and that is my feel. Think what is the amicable solution of this problem and what is the alternative sources of this problem. That is my thing. Do experimentation of this problem. We can observe this chart. This is my results, and this is our process. We take copper as well as zinc plates and connect the wires, and we take the plastic bottles and we connect the plants. That is my do and share. This idea will share to our teachers, headmaster, and district level competition, and we got a must results of this project. And another approach, this experimental approach, we did another approach, that is probing questions. Probing questions also gives more strength of my project and more solutions of my project. Our team made 100 questions of my project and more strength of my project and another solutions of my project. Thank you.